Hello and welcome. Today we are making crispy baked bacon. So this method is perfect because the bacon is the crispiest and cleanup is easy after this. So I'll be using thick cut bacon, but you can also go with thin cut bacon and use the same method and it's okay. So we'll start off by lining our baking sheet with aluminum foil. You can lay your bacon directly on the aluminum foil if you do not have a rack like I do. So this rack is not a must, but of course it makes things easier because the bacon will be separated from the fat. But you can absolutely bake your bacon directly on the baking sheet. So make sure your rack lays on the aluminum foil so that it catches all the drippings. So now you're going to go ahead and lay the bacon strips on the rack. Utilize that space well because it's not much space. Again, you don't want to overlap your bacon either because it won't bake evenly. So try to make sure every strip lays on its own. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and check at around midway to see how it's doing. So our bacon is now ready. It's browned evenly and it's crispy. Most of the fat, of course, is gone. Now, I know that some people like their bacon either crispier than this or less crispier than this. So you can reduce or increase minutes depending on your liking. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like up close. So I think that level of browning is perfect for me. And it's browned well on both sides, even though sometimes the rack could have the underside, not as well browned. So you can flip your bacon if you think it's necessary, but I didn't need to flip mine. So I'm now gonna plate the bacon and that is it. So it looks very appetizing, a great breakfast addition. I served this with scrambled eggs and mandazi, and I do have the recipe for mandazi on my site. I did garnish it with some cilantro. Of course that's optional, but it's cute. So thank you for visiting and see you in another video. Bye.